Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix your ThermoMix not turning on. To fix it, if it's not turning on, then make sure that the cable isn't damaged and make sure it's plugged into power, of course. I recommend trying a different power outlet if you weren't able to turn it on after plugging in. And I also recommend trying that outlet in a different room because sometimes the household breaker may be off or some circuit in your household isn't working properly. So you may want to try a different room, different power outlet, and see if that helps. Try connecting a different device that also uses high power, like a kettle, and see if the kettle works on that power outlet. If the kettle works and your ThermoMix doesn't, then make sure that if your ThermoMix was exposed to very cold temperatures, you should leave it for a few hours, up to 12, in room temperature, so it adjusts itself to the room temperature, and then it should be working better. Now, if that didn't help, then try also unplugging it, plugging it back in, of course, and try pressing and holding on the button for longer. So try pressing and holding until the screen goes on. If it doesn't, then unfortunately you will need to contact the after-sales service to either replace the cable or the circuit board because one of these may be damaged. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.